Some instructors need to write on a board as they teach, such as for math equations. One option is using a digital whiteboard, like here in Zoom. But another low-tech approach is using a physical board or flip chart and capturing it on a webcam. Here's how you go about it. You will need a webcam built into a laptop or an external model, a means to elevate the webcam, like boxes, tripods, or books, and something to write on, like a chalkboard, dry erase board, or a flip chart. Find a space where you have room to move around. The light source, window or room light, should be behind the webcam and lighting your face, not behind you, as this will make it hard to see you. Audio is an important element of good online communication, so find a quiet space. Turn off or turn down the sound sources and close the windows. Elevate the camera so it's close to the height of your head. And when working on the board, make sure both you and the board are fully in frame. We highly recommend doing some test recordings. It will help you notice issues like the microphone not picking up the audio when you're looking away. And that's how you solve Fermat's last theorem. Hope you enjoyed the class. Or the video being mirrored in Zoom. You can also pause the video or edit out extraneous parts. Use these tips and you'll be ready to start lecturing using a board in no time. Thanks for watching. Don't have a whiteboard? Have a question? Go to dld.brown.edu for more information on whiteboarding methods and other useful info.